Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer returns workflow to loop returns from Shopify step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the apps section. Search for Loop Returns in the app marketplace. Install the Loop Returns app if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the Loop Returns app. You'll be taken to the Loop Returns dashboard. Here, you need to configure your return settings. Start by selecting the appropriate return policy for your store. Make sure to customize the appearance of the return portal to match your branding. Next, set up your return reasons. These will help your customers choose why they are returning an item. After setting return reasons, configure your exchange options. Decide if customers will have the option to exchange items instead of returning them. Now, link your products from Shopify to Loop Returns. This ensures a smooth transfer of return data. Check that all products are displaying correctly in the app. Next, go back to your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Settings section on the bottom left. Select Shipping and Delivery from the Settings options. You need to adjust the shipping settings for return labels. Follow the prompts to set up return label options. Choose whether the returns are free for customers or if they will incur a shipping cost. Return to the Loop Returns dashboard. Here, configure notifications for returns. Select the email templates for confirmation and updates. To finalize the setup, test the returns process. Create a test order on your Shopify store. Initiate a return through the Loop Returns portal as a customer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.